Okay, who's ready for an evening snack? Tonight, we are going to have, hello. Tonight, we're having cantaloupe with blackberries. Now we have the cantaloupe already prepped. And I'm going to rinse the blackberries. So we get the strong flow of the tap water, and then we follow it with a clean rinse of remineralized, re-electrolyzed, reverse osmosis water. There we are. And this is beyond suitable for drinking. Hydration. Plong. All right. A little water in there. Is that beautiful or what? This around. So now, what do we have here? We have cantaloupe and blackberries. What are we getting from here? Well, we're getting fiber. We're getting potassium, magnesium, manganese. We're getting protein. Yes, cantaloupe has protein. A medium cantaloupe will give you 9 grams of protein. That's a third of your basal metabolic rate for the day, depending on your size. We're getting a boatload of antioxidants. Oligomeric proanthocyanidins. We're getting carotenoids, lutein and zeaxanthin. We're getting B complex. We're getting vitamin C. We're getting bioflavonoids. We're getting calcium. We're getting these great organic hydrating fruit waters. What are we not getting? We're getting some omega-3 in the blackberry seeds. It's fabulous stuff. Okay, let's try this. Oh. Talk about sustaining life. Well, you get the idea. How easy was that? Just a few minutes to cut the cantaloupe, rinse the blackberries, and there you are. Now, when you cut your cantaloupe, wash it first. Wash the outside thoroughly with soap and water. Rinse it really well, and then, of course, rinse the berries really well. And if you freeze your berries, rinse them first. You can't rinse berries, you ruin them, you get them mushy, then you freeze them. Rinse, the berries before you eat them. So a lot of surface area. Okay? A lot of nooks and crannies in there to pick up all kinds of microbial growth. You don't want that in your body. It has to be rinsed off. Anyway. So besides fiber, protein, omega-3, vitamin B, vitamin C, a boatload of antioxidants and pigments, a boatload of minerals and electrolytes. What more can we want? Not too much. Maybe love, which we have. Love in your food. Put love in your body. You put love out into the world. Anyway, share this with a friend. Share this with a non-friend, and that non-friend will become a friend. And take good care of yourselves. Take good care of each other. Stay healthy. Stay strong. Stay hydrated. Stay faithful. Practice forgiveness. Be an instrument, a device of peace. Be a spreader of love. And allow the luminosity that is inside of you to shine. Don't hide your candle under a basket. Let it shine in whatever way is natural to you. It doesn't have to be loud. It doesn't have to be far. It doesn't have to be wide. Just let it shine, and the light will take its own course. Okay. Love you all. Get in touch if you need me. We'll see you real soon. And eat cantaloupe and blackberries.